Hello, I'm Councillor Beverly Bainham. I represent the Prestine Ward and I'm the current Chairman of Powys County Council. As Chairman, it is my responsibility to represent the Council at civic functions, to chair council meetings, to be non-political and uphold the democratic values of the Council. On behalf of my fellow councillors, I would like to thank the many key workers, both within and outside of the authority, for your dedication and commitment at this very difficult time. We all very much appreciate the NHS staff and all they are doing for us, but we need to look beyond that to all the care staff, shop workers, truck drivers, postal workers, highways and refuse staff, and the many voluntary sector organisations in Powys who are all working on the front line and putting themselves in danger daily. Powys is a wonderful county with fantastic communities. You only need to look at all the voluntary community groups that have been set up recently to help people in their communities who are in isolation. The many people who have been sewing headbands and kit bags, people who have been making PPE masks with 3D printers. The list is endless, and to each and every one of you, thank you. I would also like to thank you for adhering to the government guidelines and staying at home. I know it is difficult and I appreciate we are all missing spending time with our friends and family, but we must stay home to stay safe. If anyone would like to contact their local councillor, we are all still working, albeit in a different format, but we are all available by contacting us by telephone or email. Our contact details are available on the Powys County Council website. You can also find details of the grant schemes and help that is available on the website and by following Powys County Council on social media. Finally, I would just like to reiterate thank you. We thank you all for staying home and for keeping us all safe. Thank you.